This is a very simple way of cooking egg curry. So first, let's go through all the ingredients one by one. So here I'm taking 5 pieces of egg, 2 pieces of tomato, half piece of onion, 1 medium-sized ginger, 2 to 3 pieces of red chili. It's up to you. Like if you want to put red chili, you can put. It's optional. If you don't want to put, you can leave this. 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, salt as per your taste, and 2 pieces of green chili, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, and potato. I took 3 pieces of potato and then I boiled it. So now it's already boiled. I boil it along with egg. So for this recipe, first you have to boil the egg, potato, and the red chili. If you want to put red chili, if you don't want to put red chili, then you can leave this. But if you want to put red chili, then first you have to boil the potato, the egg, and then the red chili. So if you don't want to put red chili, you can leave this. You can only boil these two. Okay. So first, let's fill the egg cover. So now the next process is, first I want to take 2-3 pieces of chili, red chili, and then here I want to put some salt so that it will be easier to crush. And I'm going to crush this red chili. Now after crushing the red chili, I want to crush the potato also. Here the potato needs to be crushed very nicely. There shouldn't be any lump of potato here. If you're going to make the gravy from this potato, you need to make a thick paste of this. So it's better if you don't keep any lump. So now the mixture is done. So now let's heat up the pan and start frying the egg first. Now let's put some oil. Here you don't need to put lots of oil. You just need to put some oil in which you can fry the egg. And after taking out the egg, you're going to use this oil again for cooking. Now the oil is already heated up. So let's fry the egg. So now the egg color has been changed into light brown, so now we can take out the egg. And in this remaining oil, first we're going to fry the ginger. Now I'm going to put the garlic. And now I'm going to put the onion. Now after sauteing for a few minutes, now I'm going to add the cumin powder. Coriander powder. Now we can add the tomato. So now we can add the mixture of potato and the red chili which we have crushed earlier. So now after adding the potato, now we can add the red chili powder and the turmeric powder. And now we can put the water. So here while putting water, if you want a thick gravy, then you can go with 1.5 cup. If you want a thin gravy, then you can go for 2 cup or 2.5 cup. So now by covering the lid, we're going to cook this. We're going to make this boil and cook this for around 5 minutes. So now we can add eggs. Put salt as per your taste. Green chili. Now let's cover this and make this boil for another 5 minutes. Let's just open the lid and check. Now as you can see, the curry is boiling. See here, the potato is going to be the gravy. So as we have crushed the potato, we got a very thick gravy here. And here now I'm gonna put one piece of ngari or fermented fish. I just love the flavor of this. So I will cover the lid again and make it boil for another 1 or 2 minutes. After that it's done. Then we can garnish it with some coriander. Now let's open the lid and check. The gravy is quite thick, and now the curry is done. And it's smelling so good. Now I'm going to garnish this with some coriander, chopped coriander. Now let's start off the gas, and here it is, the egg curry with potato. You should definitely try this dish because it's a very easy recipe and it's very tasty, and it doesn't take too much of time also. You can cook this very quickly, but this recipe is very tasty. Do try this recipe once and do comment me in the comment section down below.